Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Today on Customer States What, I think you know what's coming after seeing this cabin air filter. Giggity. So we're not even going to go to the elephant in the room, we're going to go to the other elephant in the room. Know where you park. That's all I could say is know where you park. Know your environment, because others most definitely know exactly what the environment tales. And there's probably a few tales in there, actually. Look, that's nice and comfortable. So obviously we have an issue here. Feifel has gone very comfortable here. Let's see. Is anybody in here? Hello? Alright, nobody's staring back at me, so that's good. And I got a little bit of schmeg on the tip of my finger. So, what we're going to recommend the usual. We're going to recommend get rid of all this Gugats here. We're going to recommend taking the cowl assembly out, taking the cowl tray out, and cleaning and disinfecting. We're going to recommend cleaning this here engine bay and inspecting any of this soy-based harness, because you can see they're already starting to chew through this here, and we don't know if they chew through anything else. There are no warning lights yet, so you know what comes next. Well, let's take it up top. Now that we have taken it up top, we're going to look at some handy dandy work right here. I'm not mad at you. At least they use some chicken wire or mechanics wire instead of zip ties. Oh, that doesn't, well, it's just shiny. Oh, never mind. They use zip ties. We have a Frankenstein stitch right here, and I'm definitely not mad at that because we've done that before. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, we're not going to count that one. And then OEM, and then a little Gugat shot right here. All right, it's a little loose, a little wind noise. We do have some excessive corrosion here. We have roughly 170,000 on this 2010-11 Sienna. Front wheel drive, self-lubricating chassis system starting. I did caution this oil pan reseal, as we could see why. It's not that bad. It's not that good, but it's not that bad. It's ensuring the life of this cross member right here. So let's go a little further back. Ooh, my life be like, ooh, ah, ooh, ah. We got a brand new exhaust from there all the way back. Very good. But you know what happens when we go to the rear. Giggity. We get into flavor country. And we are in flavor country. Oh, wait, let's go out of flavor country for a moment. And let's inspect this brand new gas tank strap, that brand new gas tank strap, and this brand new gas tank strap. Let's just bask in the newness that is not rusted. But, alright, let's go back to flavor country. As we can see, flavor chips are plentiful. They are. But the main reason why we came back here is to look at this brake line. We're looking at this brake line, but we can't look at it too hard. So you know what, we're going to look at this one here. It's not that bad. It's not that good, but you can see why we're highly recommending to replace this brake line. Why? Well, if you don't see, man, rust is holding it together. And the further you go down, like, it looks okay here, but this is the other end of right here. So if that looks bad, and that looks bad, this is where it stops. So we got to recommend from here to there to there, but even that one looks very ugly. So that one, and then it goes that way. This one, it looks a little bit better, but I don't know, man, it ain't looking good. So why replace one when you really should replace all? So the recommendation here is to replace from here the banjo bolt and the washer, from here to there, from there to here, from here all the way up. We can see a little bit of them. There's no union there's no union up here. That's the evap canister. Fuel lines and everything run along there. Then they come back out here, and then they freaking go to a union right there. So you could see how much this is gonna suck if they do the repair. And yes, I did say do. But if they do this repair, oh, I said it twice, it's gonna be a journey nevertheless. Alright guys, oh, sounds like we got some new cars in, very good. Alright, if you don't know what to do yet, please like, subscribe, hit that bell notification for further content and further flavor.